Ready to turn your fashion dreams into a thriving online business and reach millions of potential customers? Then let's dive straight into how you can start selling your products on Zalando. First things first, you'll need to meet Zalando's key requirements. They primarily look for brands that offer high-quality fashion or lifestyle products relevant to their existing customer base. Make sure you're offering items in categories like apparel, shoes, accessories, or even sports equipment. Having compelling product descriptions and high-quality images are non-negotiable for any of those items. Now head over to the Zalando Partner Program website and find the Become a Partner or Sign Up button. This should take you to the application form. Fill out all the requested information. This will include your company details, product categories, contact information, and other relevant business specifics. Be as accurate as possible to avoid any possible issues further along the line. Once your application is approved, you'll gain access to the Zalando Partner Program dashboard. From here, you can start listing your products. You'll follow each step of the guided process when listing a product. Write clear and concise product descriptions, upload high-resolution images of your products, and set your prices competitively, giving yourself the best chance of converting site visitors into customers. Zalando offers a few options for fulfillment. You can use their Zalando Fulfillment Solution ZFS for a seamless warehousing and shipping process, or you can handle fulfillment yourself. Consider your own business capabilities when deciding which option works best. Launching your products on Zalando unlocks incredible potential. With access to millions of active customers, your brand can reach new heights in the online fashion world. Subscribe for more helpful tips on how to scale your online business.